This is our 2004 Sunseeker LE by Forest River. It's got a Ford E450 chassis with a V10 motor, 32,000 miles.
That's all it has, 32,000?
Yep. We've got new set of rubber from Les Schwab. That's all 6 tires. Duals in the rear. Steering tires up front are in good condition. 18-inch slide, fully functional. The slide is the dinette, the fridge, and the wardrobe closet. Obviously gas engine. Sewer drainage underneath here. 30 amp power connection. Drops out the bottom, nice and clean. Exterior ladder. We have pass-through storage. Goes all the way across.
Hold on, get the storage. Okay, there.
Functioning awning. Works great. We do have an electric step. And then up to the inside. Go ahead. "18-inch slide makes it nice and spacious. You've got queen size bed up top. Plenty of light. Plenty of room to get into the cockpit. Swivel chair. You've got double sink, microwave, stove, just like every other RV out there. Double bed in the back.
Nice full fridge.
Functioning fridge.
And freezer.
Functioning freezer. Wardrobe closet. Control panel for your slide.
Room storage above the fridge and closet too.
Tub, well, not a tub, but shower. Toilet.
With more storage here and
Cabinet.
here. Sink. Storage below the sink.
Plenty of cabinetry above the back bed.
Tons of storage above the bed. And lighting.
And nice pull-out pantry, locking pantry, so it won't come open on the fly.
And stove, you want to lift up that stove cover?
3-burner stove. Pretty standard.
Good oven.
Good oven. Cooks your lasagna on your way to camping.
Alright.
VCR television.
Oh yeah.
So break out your VCRs with your kid movies.
People still have those? Okay.